Unlocking the mystery, as fit as a fiddle. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a popular English idiom that you might have heard before, as fit as a fiddle. This phrase is not only fun to say but also carries a fascinating meaning and history. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. The phrase, as fit as a fiddle, is used to describe someone who is in excellent health or condition. When we say someone is as fit as a fiddle, we're not talking about musical abilities. Instead, we're comparing their health or physical condition to the pristine condition of a well-cared-for fiddle, a violin. A fiddle, to produce beautiful music, must be in top shape, and similarly, a person described by this idiom is in great physical health. Believe it or not, the idiom, as fit as a fiddle, has been in use for centuries. Its first recorded use dates back to the 17th century. Initially, it might have referred more to being suitable or prepared for something, as fit had a slightly different connotation back then. Over time, its meaning evolved to become associated with being in good health. The comparison to a fiddle likely comes from the instrument's requirement for careful maintenance and tuning, which mirrors how one might care for their health. Incorporating idioms like, as fit as a fiddle, into your speech can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Here are a few examples of how you can use this phrase. After recovering from a cold, you might say, I'm feeling as fit as a fiddle now. Praising someone's dedication to fitness, you could comment, wow, you're as fit as a fiddle. When someone inquires about your health, especially after a period of illness or injury, you can confidently say, I'm as fit as a fiddle, if you're feeling back to your best. Understanding and using phrases like, as fit as a fiddle, can add color and depth to your English. It's not just about learning the words but also about capturing the cultural and historical nuances that make English such a rich and dynamic language. We hope this video has illuminated this quirky idiom for you and that you're now more confident in weaving it into your conversations. Stay healthy, stay curious, and see you in our next video.